Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today we're going to learn about the park assist in a Macan. So if a Macan is equipped with this option, you'll see this button right down here. You can see this lineup of cars here. I know there's a spot there, but we're going to see if the car will detect it. So I am in drive at the moment. Well, actually I'm in reverse. There we go. I'm in drive at the moment. And I am going to press this button. When I do, that brings up this screen on the right binnacle here. And that screen is looking for a parking spot, as you can see. So it's looking here on the right. And once it finds something, oh, it found something. So it's that spot right there. Now it's telling me to pull forward, to pull into this spot. So I'm going to pull forward as it's telling me. Just my foot is on the brake, just letting it coast forward a little bit. Now it's telling me that I need to stop and put it in reverse. So I am doing that. Brings up the view on the screen for the reverse. And now I do not have my hands on the steering wheel. It is going to take over for me. Again, I have a foot on the brake. I'm going to back in until it tells me to stop, which is there. It says press brake and go forward. So I'm going to do that. It just made the turn on its own. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of gas. And when that bar gets to the top, I know that I'm done with what it's asking me to do. It's this little bar right here I'm talking about, if we can see that. I'm going to go back into reverse. And it is going to steer me into this parking spot. And now it's over and it's saying park assist ended, driver takeover required. And just to give you a sense, we had seen the empty spot that was here before, and now we can see that this Macan pulled right into it using the park assist. Any questions, reach out to me, Randy Witt at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.